distinguish between exothermic and endothermic changes explained. Now, exothermic changes in which there is release of energy in the form of heat are known as exothermic changes. Example, burning of fire. When carbon burn in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed with heat. That is, C plus O2 forms CO2 with heat. This picture, that is the picture of exothermic change. Okay. Next word, endothermic change. That is endothermic changes, that is changes in which there is absorption of energy in the form of heat are known as endothermic changes. Example, cooking of food. Okay, this picture is the show endothermic